Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to maximize your rewards with the OKX promo code HH368. Stick around to find out how you can get amazing bonuses and benefits just by signing up and sharing this code. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an OKX promo code? Well, it's a unique code that you can use when you sign up on OKX to unlock a variety of bonuses. By using the promo code HH368, you can earn rewards such as discounted trading fees, mystery boxes, and more. Let's break it down step by step. Here's how you can use the promo code HH368 to start earning rewards. Step 1. Signing up. Head over to the OKX website or download the OKX app. Click on the Sign Up button on the top right corner. During the registration process, make sure to enter the promo code HH368 to qualify for the bonuses. Once you've signed up, the next step is KYC Verification. This involves uploading clear photos of your ID and a selfie. OKX usually verifies your information pretty quickly, and you'll get an email once you're verified. All right, with your account verified, it's time to start exploring the rewards. You can earn a welcome bonus just by completing the sign-up and verification process. This includes mystery boxes that could contain various crypto prizes. When you use the promo code HH368, you get access to a range of rewards. For instance, upon making your first deposit or purchase of at least $50 worth of crypto, you can unlock additional mystery boxes. The more friends you refer, the more rewards you can earn. To maximize your rewards, share your promo code HH368 with as many friends as possible. You can share it via social media, email, or even directly through the OKX platform. Each friend who signs up using your code can help you earn more bonuses. It's crucial to understand the terms and conditions. For example, your friend needs to complete the deposit task within a specific time frame to unlock certain rewards. Also, make sure both of you use the platform legitimately. No bots or automated methods, as these can disqualify you from the promotion. Now, let's talk about some additional features of OKX. Beyond the referral program, OKX offers trading bots that can automate your trades and copy trading, which lets you replicate the trades of successful traders. These features can significantly enhance your trading experience. OKX also provides various passive earning options like staking, yield farming, and more. The mobile app is robust, offering real-time market data, interactive charts, and easy order placements. It's available on both iOS and Android. To summarize, let's look at some pros and cons of using OKX. Pros: high leverage options for derivatives trading. Competitive fee structure with discounts available. Robust security measures. Excellent customer support. Comprehensive mobile app and additional earning options. Cons: complexity may be a barrier for beginners. Not available in the US and some other regions. So, is OKX the right platform for you? If you're into derivatives trading and looking for a platform with competitive fees, strong security, and excellent customer support, OKX is definitely worth considering. Remember, if you decide to sign up, use the promo code HH368 to unlock some great bonuses. Thanks for watching Crypto Kickstart. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and reviews. Head over to OKX, use the promo code HH368, and start earning your bonuses today. Until next time, happy trading. Keep your crypto game strong and your wallets even stronger. See you soon.